Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name's Olivia. I make videos about sewing, gardening, natural medicine, things like that. Today we're going to be going over the ARTSPIRA app that usually comes with the Brother embroidery machines. We're going to answer the question, is the subscription worth it? So first of all, what is the ARTSPIRA app? It's basically an app where you can create your own designs, you can digitize things. Well, actually the app digitizes for you. You can write out text in different fonts. You can browse free images that you can put into your embroidery machine that are already digitized. You can purchase images that are digitized, like from Disney and stuff. So I'm going to go over the app with you really fast. You open it up, and this is what you first see. I'm going to look at it with you. This is what you see when you open the app. Now you can scroll down. You can see inspiration, where people post things that they've made, which I think is really cool. I haven't done this yet, but I do look through it occasionally. And then you can pay for these designs. People make them and put them up. Which there's a lot of really cool ones. They're already digitized, so you just purchase them and it goes to your machine. It changes out a lot too. And then there's new free designs. They're free for you, so you just click the one you want and it goes to your machine and you can embroider it. They're usually on theme with the holiday. But there's a whole bunch of different ones you could choose from, and they change out a lot. There's also a lot of Disney design, so I'm assuming that Brother has a partnership with Disney. These switch out a lot too, depending on what's popular right now. Now for the main features. Okay, so these are the different tools that you have. You have ARTSPIRA AI, which you could take an image and it could turn it into basically any of these different styles, which I will show you an example really fast. So to test it out, we'll use this random picture of my mom that I just put in. We'll turn that into a cartoon for her. She's trying on her costume for a cruise that she's going on, and it's gonna have an 80s party. She's gonna be so mad when she sees that. Alright, so it basically turns it into a cartoon. And there was a bunch of different styles that you could choose from. Okay, then there is font decorator. Where you could create all sorts of different letters, images, whatever it may be. Which that turned the letter A into fire, which is pretty cool. Okay, so then these are more away from the AI. You have, this comes for free for you, design editor. You could type letters and words. Put that into your machine. Drawing embroidery tools. This is where you could draw something and it'll go into your machine. Big one that I use is Image to Embroidery. This digitizes an image for you. So for example, let's just pull from this picture that I made for my mom, my kid's grandma, and you could choose the amount of colors, which is just one color. And it digitizes it for you. So then you just create and it goes to your machine. Okay, and then this is one that I have not actually used before, so I don't know what it is. It also saves all the different images that you've done. So if you want to recreate something, you could just go back without having to go through the whole process again. And then there's a whole community where you could post and like posts and I guess just get inspiration. There's also education, different classes and how-tos. Okay, so now to talk about pricing. The subscription is $12.99 a month or $120 for the year, which I think come January I am going to do the year just to save a little bit of money there. I guess technically the app is free and you could use some features, but you do have to pay for the more important features. Specifically, the more important one to me is the image to embroidery, where it digitizes for you. Now, this is cheap compared to other digitizing tools or using somebody that digitizes for you or like other softwares and websites. This is on the cheaper side compared to all of those options. So I will say the app does come with some cons. The biggest one being when you do image to embroidery, when it digitizes, it doesn't do it in a very well thought out order. Like there's a lot of, you know, string movement, if that makes sense. I don't know how to actually say that. It's just not thought out, so there's a lot of just movement and things, as well as it's very, the stitching is very thick and close together, and I noticed that it tends to bunch. I don't know if that's me with my stabilizer and pulling it tight. I don't know if it's my issue or if that's a digitizing issue. But I will say for very simple designs, it's a very good app. Another con that I notice is when you do image to embroidery design, it misses a lot of colors. Sometimes you have to play with it, go back and forth, zoom in closer. Just to show you one of the cons. So as you can see, there's pink, red, black, and green. Now sometimes when it's digitizing, it doesn't pick up on these colors. As you can see, it turned the green into black, which is frustrating, so I always like to play with the number of colors, even though it doesn't really change anything. And as you can see now, they're black, so you just have to play around with it. But sometimes if it's an image that has a lot of colors, it won't pick up on it. There's that to consider in the pricing. So is the ARTSPIRA app worth it? Yes, if you're doing simple beginner designs and you're more of a hobbyist and not really doing a business app. Oh god. Yes, if you're not really making a business out of it and you're more of a hobbyist or you're selling very small designs. I'm gonna say no, it's not worth it if you want a more professional looking image. Not to say that this doesn't look professional and clean, but I mean if you want to do more like complex designs, the ARTSPIRA app might not be the best for what you're looking for. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used the ARTSPIRA app before, comment below your experience so other people can read what you think. Do you think it's worth it? What are some issues that you've come across using the app? And what's your favorite part of using it? Thank you so much for watching.